Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. Join me today to learn how to make a pair of these flower dancer earrings. You are going to need the 2-hole disc duo bead, an SS12 Rose Montees, and 3mm accent beads. These are beautiful faceted fire agate. The seed beads here along the edge are size 11 Miyuki round seed beads. And don't forget your ear wires and a pair of wire guards. After you make a pair of the flower dancer earrings from this tutorial, stay tuned until the end. That's where I'll go over how to make it with an SS20 Rose Montee and the difference of bead count for along the edge. And if you're on the hunt for Rose Montees or disc duos, make sure you check out today's video sponsor, PotomacBeads. They really do have a great selection of sizes and colors of the Rose Montees. And the same goes for these fun 2-hole disc duo beads. You can begin with 2 feet of thread, and this is Fireline on a size 12 beading needle. Begin by picking up one of the disc duos, a Rose Montee, and another disc duo. And then I like to bring them down near the end of my thread. Then you need 1 seed bead, 3mm accent, and 1 seed bead, and 1 more disc duo. Come back through the open hole of your Rose Montee, just pulling it together. 1 more disc duo, a seed bead, a 3mm, and 1 more seed bead. This time needle through the open hole of the disc duo here, maybe pulling on your tail and working thread, and then come back through your Rose Montee, pulling everything tight. And now you're going to needle through the open hole of this disc duo bead, pulling on both the working thread and the tail, bringing everything together. Seed bead, 3mm and seed bead. You're going to come through the open hole of this disc duo. Next, come through the Rose Montee and the open hole of this disc duo. Back through the Rose Montee, pulling your thread and disc duo, and then come through the open hole on this one, pulling it tight. 1 seed bead, 3mm and seed bead through the hole that your tail is coming out of. And then come back through the Rose Montee and your disc duo. And stepping through the disc duo. Needle through these 3 beads. 5 seed beads. Coming through the next 3 beads. 2 seed beads, a 3mm and 1 seed bead. And slide them along your thread next to everything else. Skip the 11 on the end and needle just back through the size 3mm bead. And then pulling the seed bead up next to the 3mm. 2 more seed beads through the 3 on the side. 5 more seed beads coming through the next 3 and pulling those along the edge. Next you need 3 seed beads, the 3mm, 2 more seed beads, and those are going to come up here at the top. Two seed beads, the 3mm, and 1 more seed bead after that. 2 more seed beads and then needle it into your edge. And then I'll take my extra thread and retrace the entire outside edge one time. Now that's almost retraced and I'm coming through and out of one of the size 3mm beads. I will add a half hitch knot right past the 3mm bead. Come along the edge and do it one more time. Then needle a bead or two past the knot, trimming off the threads. Just attach an ear wire and you will have a beautiful pair of earrings. You can also make these earrings using the larger SS20 Rose Montee. To do that, you're going to change the count of seed beads along the edge that you add. That's the only difference. Here, when we added seed beads, we added 5. On this, we add 6. Down here, we added 2. Here, we added 3. And again, up here at the top of the earring, you have 3 flanking both sides of your disc duo with the one central. Up here, you have 4 flanking both sides of your disc duo with one central. So really, these earrings can be made either way. I love these fun, simple earrings, especially with the sparkle from the Rose Montee in the middle. I hope you enjoyed making them today, no matter which size you decided to go with. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.